Hey guys, here I am again. Happy Saturday. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a Centrex, looks like an RH-66. Let's see if I can confirm that. RH-60. Okay, so it's a Centrex RH-60 8-track deck sent in by Jim in Clarkston, Michigan, and the complaint is the sound is terrible. The belt was like really slick. It had absolutely no grip at all, so we probably had some speed variations there. Obviously, I replaced the belt. It was a little bit slow, so I sped it up to spec and adjusted the head. So let's go ahead and pop in some Nielsen Eka and see how we do. Okay, it's a good time to crank up the volume. Make sure there's no cross up between tracks, and there's not. Make sure we got both speakers.
You're an angel, I'm a lucky guy. Saying that to get out and mix, I said that like now, though the teardrops are all that I can drink on. I'm sitting here holding you, you live. Hokey dokey monkey, my friend. I found the day at Heartbreak.
Okay. Alrighty. That takes care of that. Sounds okay. It doesn't sound great. It's not a real high-end deck, and it's also an 8-track deck. And 8-track tapes are like 40, anywhere between 40 and 60 years old these days. You've got headwear to consider, so it's not going to sound like a CD. This is the best we can do with 8-track tapes being the way that they are, and heads having suffered from a little bit of wear. So that's going to work. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order off that website before calling me with a bunch of questions. This mostly applies to car units because there's the make and model of car. Do I work on that radio? Is it an AM, FM? Just all kinds of stuff to consider. Home units are much simpler to to negotiate and stuff like that. So, but do have a work order in hand before calling me with a bunch of questions. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Jim, for your business all the way from Clarkston, Michigan. And we'll see you guys next time.